Hi, everyone. Wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about the difference in KM program versus a KM system. And while system can be more than just technology, the people, the processes, and technology is often what we think about a KM system. When we think about the technology portion, when we think about what makes it a system that works, those elements are a lot of the things we've talked about already throughout class. And thinking about the communities of practice. How is it enabling sharing of information, collection of data, processes that turn that data into knowledge, actionable insights I can use to apply to my job? Those are the elements of a knowledge management system that we were looking for in paper 2 to talk about those pieces that are needed in any technology to make it a KMS versus just an application. Think about Blackboard. We have wikis, we have document repositories, we have discussion boards. We've built a wealth of knowledge in this class alone by taking the information I've given, and you guys have translated it into knowledge. What elements encourage you guys to share? What actions, processes does the grading criteria actually encourage it to work successfully? Blackboard is a great example. Then what are the measures of effectiveness? Are you guys sharing and building on top of knowledge, or are you repeating examples? We've mentioned a lot in class. Why don't you build on top of other people's good ideas? Take it and move it forward, because that's knowledge building. You've taken other people's information and expanded it. And so how well is Blackboard working for us for a knowledge management system? If you're repeating content because you didn't see it, well, repeated content is a sign of an ineffective knowledge management system, this tool we are using to share. And so for like paper 2, you could have compared Blackboard with, say, Google Docs or Google Drive, the Google app suite. How effective is that for sharing information that you can build upon and leverage for knowledge? Those are the elements, those things to think about with the papers. They want you guys to think about as we finish this class. What are those KM elements you've actually been doing all semester long and practicing this knowledge management? How have you worked together to build these collaborative projects and report and increase the knowledge that can further develop the business? Those are the pieces here. Think about the tools, technology, the people, the processes, all those elements that make a system, an IT system, an application be an effective knowledge management system. Because then the part with a program successful, that is where the leadership support, the buy-in, the change in culture. Yes, those are the program elements. That's what makes a KM initiative successful at an organization. Those are the elements you need so that KM is a way of thinking and way of life, way of business at an organization. With the KMS, I'm talking about what are all these elements where we defined in those first few weeks what knowledge management is and what it looks like. What do these systems do to show they do those knowledge management things? And again, elements, communities of practices, encouraging reuse, findability, tagging, identifying of subject matter experts. Is anyone really skilled in a certain knowledge area in this class? Do you know that? Do you know where to find that? That's an indicator of elements of success with Blackboard as our KM tool. I hope this helps, guys. Again, please post in discussion and share. Continue the great conversations. And let's finish strong. You guys have been doing amazing. Keep it up, because these are valuable skills wherever your career may take you. Mahalo.